Get ready for the event of the summer. Catch a free ride with Transit Windsor for the 4th fireworks on June 24th. Pack your essentials too. You don't want to miss out on free shuttle service across the community after 6 p.m. There will be free direct service from Devonshire Mall to downtown Windsor. And don't worry, we got you covered on the way back until 2 a.m. Now this is how you can avoid the annual parking issues, road closures, and have one less thing to worry about. Are you excited? Because I am. For more updates and good times aboard, follow Transit Windsor. See you on my next adventure!